Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual, major update. We'll have that coming right up. Last night, in a most unorthodox way, we found out that DJI had indeed released the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. Now I'm going to throw a couple of slides up on the screen so you can actually have a chance to take a look at the first, what I consider really good image of the Dual up there. And then the second image is of the thermal imaging system from the Dual. Now it is available for sale through DJI resellers, so you do need to go ahead and check through them regarding availability and being able to order one. One of the other things regarding this as well is that this is a device that will, without any doubt, be able to save lives for first responders. It is an excellent public safety tool, so it's really going to come in very handy. It's also very pricey. It's $2,699 US as well, and I believe the Fly More kit was another $415. But this is a tool that's going to go ahead and save lives. I'm going to go ahead and put a tweet up on the screen from Romeo Dersher. Now, you may remember that I had previously put up a tweet from Romeo Dersher. He is DJI's Public Safety Integration Director. And let's go ahead and read that. Now, what Romeo said here was, exciting day. We announced the DJI Enterprise Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual Drone, a visible light camera and a thermal sensor, plus the searchlight or speaker attachment. This is a powerful, quick deploy tool for public safety. And then I went ahead and I replied back to Romeo. I said, congratulations. Do you know if current Mavic 2 Enterprise owners can upgrade their cameras? Romeo's response was, sadly not. The cameras are fully integrated. I responded back to him, thank you so much for getting back to me. This was the #1 question in my video from last night in the comment section. Was people were asking, do you know if the cameras will be swappable? Unfortunately, they are not going to be swappable between the Mavic 2 Enterprise and the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. And I know this is going to be some disappointing news to a lot of people out there. Question of the day. Do you think DJI should have made the camera swappable between the Mavic 2 Enterprise and the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.